Yeah, I think back just on a kind of some warlords or dictators get their dunder up. You know, so they're going to conquer the world. Is that something? Huh?
It doesn't make sense to rational people.
Well, I tell you, you take over in Germany, you see, you read back, American people there were pretty poor, they were destitute, they didn't want to work.
Yeah.
And if somebody comes along and says, we're going to put you to work, they don't ask them who they are or what they believe in and all that. And he did get the working class behind him. Hitler did, see. He did put them to work. Then he made them believe that, boy, they were the super race. Especially when it started on youngsters then, for a while they started the youth corps. Grew up, the youth corps grew up then. They believe that, by God, we are the super race.
Yeah.
You know.
Right.
Well, I read the Mein Kampf. I don't know if you ever read the Mein Kampf.
No.
He says so right there. That's what it says. If you tell a, that's his own word. If you tell a lie so many times, so long, people are going to believe you.
Yeah.
And you got to believe it yourself.
Right.
Well, that's not what he wrote, though.
Yeah.
Mein Kampf, and then super race, super race. And the Jews, you know, they were. But that. You read history, you follow up on some of that. Some of those Jews must have known it was coming.
Yeah.
But they were the money men. They were making money out of it. The corrupt.
Mm.
The corrupts. What the hell are those big bankers, Jewish bankers, what the hell were they? Oh. So they made a lot, some of them made money.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh.
Yeah, they're still battling over there.
Hmm.
Well, the Middle East, anyway. The Palestinians, they're going to go in there now and they haven't got no money. They haven't got nothing. See, so that's makes sense. But they've been working, a whole lot of Palestinians have been working over an issue.
Yeah, it's a kind of a screwy deal.